Welcome to today's video. If you're aiming to transform your outdoor space into a cozy, rustic farmhouse retreat, you're in the right place. We'll explore some simple and timeless decor ideas that bring warmth and charm to your porch, patio, or garden. Let's dive in. Let's explore some rustic farmhouse outdoor decor ideas to inspire your next project. Vintage wooden crates as planters. Repurpose old wooden crates to house your favorite flowers or herbs, adding a rustic touch to your garden. Galvanized metal buckets for flowers. Use galvanized buckets as planters. Their weathered look complements the farmhouse aesthetic beautifully. Wagon wheel wall decor. Hang an old wagon wheel on a fence or wall to serve as a focal point in your outdoor space. Mason jar lanterns. Create lanterns by placing candles inside mason jars. Hang them along pathways or from tree branches. Rustic wooden signs. Add personalized wooden signs with welcoming messages to your porch or garden area. Antique watering cans as decor. Display vintage watering cans filled with seasonal flowers for a charming look. Wooden ladder plant stand. Lead a wooden ladder against a wall and place potted plants on each rung for a vertical garden effect. Burlap table runners. Use burlap runners on outdoor tables to add texture and a rustic feel. Hanging wire baskets with flowers. Suspend wire baskets filled with colorful blooms from hooks or tree branches. Vintage milk cans as flower holders. Place large milk cans at entryways or along paths, filled with tall flowers or grasses. Wooden barrel planters. Cut barrels in half to use as large planters for shrubs or small trees. Rustic birdhouses. Install wooden birdhouses on poles or trees to attract birds and add charm. Antique window frames as wall art. Mount old window frames on exterior walls for a vintage decorative element. Stone pathways with moss. Create walkways using irregular stones, allowing moss to grow between them for a natural look. Outdoor string lights. Hang warm-toned string lights across your patio or between trees to create a cozy evening ambience. Thank you for watching. We hope these rustic farmhouse decor ideas inspire you to create a warm and inviting outdoor space. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who love farmhouse style. See you in the next video.